In today's fast-paced manufacturing environment, staying competitive requires more than just cutting-edge technology. It demands streamlined processes, optimized operations, and a strategic approach to implementing enterprise resource planning systems. Enter lean manufacturing principles, a set of proven techniques that have revolutionized manufacturing across industries. When integrated into your Infor ERP implementation, they can have a profound impact on your operations. But why is it essential to have a partner like Guide Technologies by your side throughout this integration? Let's explore the reasons. Reason number 1, expertise in lean manufacturing. Lean manufacturing is more than just a buzzword. It's a science. Guide Technologies brings their deep expertise in lean principles to ensure your ERP system aligns perfectly with your processes. Reason number 2, personalization for your needs. Off-the-shelf ERP solutions often fall short in meeting the unique needs of your manufacturing operations. Guide Technologies tailors your ERP implementation to match your exact requirements, ensuring maximum efficiency. Reason number 3, real-time visibility. With Guide Technologies, you gain real-time visibility into your operations. This means you can make data-driven decisions, track performance, and respond swiftly to changing market demands. Reason number 4, improved efficiency. By integrating lean manufacturing principles into your Infor ERP, Guide Technologies helps you eliminate waste, reduce lead times, and boost productivity. The result? Increased efficiency and a healthier bottom line. Reason number 5, seamless transition. ERP implementation can be daunting, but with Guide Technologies, the transition is seamless. They provide comprehensive training, support, and ensure minimal disruption to your ongoing operations. Integrating lean manufacturing principles into your Infor ERP implementation can positively impact your manufacturing operations. And when you have a partner like Guide Technologies guiding you through this transformation, success is not just a possibility, it's a certainty. Choose the experts. Choose Guide Technologies.